Steve and I are heading to the engine room now.
Oh, too much safety bloody rules. No entry, engine house.
Hello?
Hello? Hello?
Up there.
Yeah.
Look up there.
Yeah. Hello? Is there any spirits here?
So what I'm trying to do here is initiate communication.
Well, at least we made it here, but unfortunately we can't go in. Stephen's going to show me something. Something there. Can you come through? Spirits from World War II. The ones that used to work here, the mechanics. Can you come through? Show yourself. Can you show yourselves? Don't be afraid, we're not scared. We're more than happy to see you. We like to come through. Can you come through? Show us yourselves.
After that.
You felt that? Okay.
Yeah.
Are you here? I saw something there. I just saw something.
This is a streaking orb spirit. Freeze framed.
There. Yeah, I saw it. Come show yourself. Don't be afraid. Was that you? I did see something fly. Yeah, I did see that too.
More streaking orbs.
Yeah, you're here. Oh, I saw another one. You're here. Yes. My name's Reese. I'm going to get going now. Thank you for showing yourselves.
Close up of the streaking orb.
I appreciate it. Wow. Yeah. You're showing yourselves. Thank you. Thank you very much. I salute you guys. Thanks for your service.
Another streaking orb.
Really appreciate it.
Now check this spirit orb out. If you really like this type of content, please like, share, hit the bell for notifications.